To start using Flipster, go to www.picnet.org, hover over Digital Library, then select Digital Magazines. Then select Flipster. Next, log in with your library card number. You will then be taken to Flipster's Popular Magazines Featured Items. Scroll side to side in the carousel, then click View All to view all magazine titles. You can also browse by category. I will select Science and Technology, then select Wired Magazine. You can flip back and forth between pages just like a real magazine. Zoom in and out to get a better view. As well as navigate through the pages of the issue. Find an article you like, then click the page. You can also look at back issues of a magazine. Click on All Issues. Then select the month of interest. Then select your article within the table of contents. Or view the magazine from the front cover. Once again, select an article of interest to you. If you wanted to read the issue one page at a time, click on Settings, then click Show one page at a time. You can now navigate one page at a time. Search for phrases within the issue you're looking at. Select one of the results to jump directly to that page. Your search phrase will be highlighted in yellow. Search for specific magazine titles in the search box. I will search for National Geographic. You can also search by specific topic. I will search for travel, which will pull up all travel-related magazine titles. You can also look at your search history, which will pull up all the searches you've done in the past. To start using the mobile app, go to the appropriate app store for your device, then search for Flipster. Tap on Install to install the Flipster app. In my case, I already have it installed. Launch Flipster, then tap Get Started. Allow location permissions for Flipster to find Pickering Public Library. You can also manually search for Pickering Public Library. Tap Login, then enter your Pickering Public Library card number. Just like on the desktop, you will get some featured popular magazine titles. Tap on the menu icon to browse through the various categories. I will select Science and Technology. Select your title, then tap Download. Wait for the issue to download, then tap Read. Flip through the pages of the issue. Tap the three-dot menu icon to access the table of contents. You can then jump to specific articles within the issue. Tap on the full screen icon to go full screen. Then, pinch to zoom using your fingers to zoom in and out of the article. Select Text View for an easier reading experience. Tap My Shelf, then the trash can to delete any issues you no longer want. Then select another magazine to enjoy. Bookmarking articles is also easy to do. Tap the bookmark icon, then give your bookmark a name. Bookmarks can be accessed under My Shelf, then tap the menu icon. Then select Bookmarks. Simply tap any bookmark you want to jump directly to that issue and bookmark. To search for titles, tap the magnifier glass, then enter the magazine title you wish to search for. Then select the issue you wish to read. Tap My Shelf to view all downloaded issues. Tapping Read will load your last viewed issue. Lastly, to ensure that you're downloading issues only over Wi-Fi, tap My Shelf, then tap Settings. Then select Download over Wi-Fi only. This concludes this tutorial. Thank you for watching.